Yo, it's Joe from Photos with Phones. Today we're here to test BeastCam Pro Cameras app stabilization feature out against the iPhone 11 Pro's native stabilization. Let's get to it. So for our test today, we are going to use this statue of Robbie Burns as a focal point, and we're going to walk towards it with each of the different ways that we're going to test, and we'll see who's the winner. Additionally, I'll go ahead and test BeastCam cinematic stabilization versus the footage that I capture on my gimbal, just so we can see a comparison. So, why are we making this video? Well, somebody commented on the BeastCam Pro camera app review and tutorial and asked us to. If you find yourself interested in this style of video, go ahead and consider subscribing to Photos with Phones' YouTube channel. We're coming out with twice weekly videos just like this one that I'm sure you'll love. So, you've seen video from the native camera app, you saw how stable that was. Then, you saw all of the different BeastCam Pro camera app stabilization features, you saw how stable those are. Then, you saw the iPhone 11 Pro popped onto my Zhiyun Smooth 4 gimbal, you saw how stable that was. So, drop your answers down there in the comments. What are you using for stabilization for your phone video? Yeah, that's all we got for you. If you feel like you got value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button down there. It definitely helps Photos with Phones out a lot because it forces YouTube to show our videos to other people. Go ahead and comment down below if you think that BeastCam stabilization features are worth picking up, or you're gonna add a gimbal. What are you gonna do? You need stable video. How are you gonna get it? As always, subscribe to Photos with Phones' YouTube channel. We're coming out with twice weekly mobile photography and filmmaking, tricks, tips, hacks, reviews, unboxings, pretty much everything that you can think of. So do it now. And if you comment on a video and ask us to do a video, we'll probably do it. Toodles. See you in the next one.